Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix AirDrop bringing devices together not working. If you are using the iPhone and your AirDrop is not working whenever you bring your devices together, these are not connected. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing you have to make sure that you are connected to internet, and then you just have to go to your settings. Go for general and here go for airdrop, and here you'll get the option of bringing devices together. You must have to enable this toggle, and once you have enabled it will almost fix your issue. And after that you have to select this everyone for 10 minutes, because sometimes it might be that you have selected contacts only, so no other devices can connect with you. So you just have to select everyone from here and then bring your devices together and your phones will be connected. And or if you're still having the same issue, you have to open your software update, and here you just have to try to update your software. If you're having any software update here, you just have to try to update your software, and then you will fix your issue will be fixed. Or if this method doesn't work for you, you have to go for general, and here very first thing you have to try to enable and disable your airplane mode. It will make quick refresh into your network settings, and after that, if you're still having the same issue, open transfer reset iPhone sections. Select reset network setting, enter your passcode here, and then select reset network setting from confirmation message pop up, and your issue will be fixed after this step. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this, and after that, all of your issues will be fixed. So in this way, you can easily fix if your AirDrop is not working when you bring the devices together on your iPhone or any iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.